welcome to Bangalore. I'm Aishwarya and today we take you on a tour through one of the most prestigious institutions of pharmaceutical studies in India, the Karnataka College of Pharmacy or KCP. KCP is one of the flagship institutions of Karnataka Education Trust, started with a noble vision in 2003. And within its first cycle, it got an A-grade accreditation by NAAC, showing the quality and excellence of its education and infrastructure. And these are the wonderful lecture halls at KCP. The digital classrooms with smart boards, CCTV and a comprehensive learning management system, hence making your lectures not boring but highly interactive. And their campus is also solar powered and green. The heart of any pharmacy institute has to be their lab, and here we are at the incredible lab, proving that KCP does not just teach you theory but also guides you in your practical knowledge. Here's going into the list of few of the wonderful pharmacy labs the KCP campus has within it. Pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical and medicinal chemistry, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmacology, pharmacognosy and natural products, microbiology, computer education, industrial pharmacy and research laboratories.
Now let's explore our pharmacology lab. Moving in, as you can see, it's a very well lit and a very spacious space. And first we come across our first equipment, which is the organ bath, and this is one of the equipments that we entirely use in a second semester. And next let us see the Eddy's hot plate. We have the Eddy's hot plate where the hot plate temperature of the hot plate is increased, and we check the durability of the mice or rat used in the experiment. And then we will move on to the octophotometer, and this is also an instrument which is used specifically in an entire semester. And then we have the rotor rod. This is the rotor rod apparatus where the gripping capacity of the rat or mice will be analyzed. And another equipment that we use is the gel electrophoresis. Now let's see our aseptic cell culture lab. We have a digital balance, digital pH meter, a magnetic stirrer. This is a gel rocker. We also have a ELISA plate analyzer, a microscope, binocular optical microscope, and a millipore water filter, and lastly an electrical water bath. Now the most important part of our aseptic lab is the aseptic area, where we have it is equipped with a laminar airflow and also a CO2 incubator.
So here we are at the intellectual hub, the library, which is spacious and well stocked. But what sets it apart is the digital library, the Helinet Consortium, the JP eBooks and Springer. So let's have a look inside. Here at KCP, the lecture halls are fantastic. They are not just a lecture hall, but a digital classroom, which has a CCTV, smart boards, and also a comprehensive learning management system, which makes the lectures not just boring, but very highly interactive. Do you feel homesick? Away from home, a city, a country, a region? Well, you don't have to feel so. At the KCP canteen, we have a cozy little atmosphere with homely meals made just for you. Hello, we are today joined by a representative of IQAC or the Internal Quality Assurance Cell at the Karnataka College of Pharmacy. Hello sir, can you please introduce us to IQAC as well as a little more about yourself please?
Okay, thank you madam. First of all, myself Dr. C. Sridhar, working as a professor and head of the Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. We at Karnataka College of Pharmacy. Also I am one of the representative for IQAC, that means Internal Quality Assurance Cell, that is recommended by the NAC of the central government. So actually IQAC is nothing but Internal Quality Assurance Cell. It is one of the vital part of our institution in order to enhance the main goal of the institution IQAC is nothing but we have to develop a system, conscious, consistent and catalytic improvement or development overall by the institution. And also here we are focusing on the improving the innovative teaching methods as well as the ensuring that our students should meet all the world-class teaching methodology as well as the professionalism.
That sounds amazing and impressive, sir. So can we actually know a little more about what IQAC has recently taken up as an initiative or an activity, please?
It's a great question, madam. Some of our recent initiatives, which includes the organizing the workshops, particularly the faculty development programs and students workshops, conferences and the staff workshops also, same thing, student faculty development programs and student feedback mechanisms. So all these will impart the higher standards to the improvement of the quality, and we also implemented some of the digital tools for better academic monitoring as well as the encourage the interdisciplinary projects also. So these efforts definitely help us in maintaining the high standards and continuously improving the learning environment for the students, and also not only these areas but also in the academic and the administrative excellence in the institution.
So how do you actually involve the students and faculty in the mission of IQAC?
Yes madam, it's a good question actually, because the students are the main central part of our institution or any institution, particularly inclusively it's a central to our approach. Definitely we regularly collect the feedback from the students and even the faculty also in order to understand their needs and expectations.
Finally sir, what would you like to share with our listeners about the role of IQAC in shaping the future of Karnataka College of Pharmacy?
So IQAC is more than just a committee, it's a mindset actually, and it is about striving for quality in everything we do from academics to administration.
Thank you so much. The most important question of every student when you enroll into any institute or course is about the placement. Karnataka College of Pharmacy has a placement cell which was constituted in 2013. Here we are to know a little more about the placements from KCP. and with our representative itself. Hello sir, and can you please tell us about the role of the placement cell in our pharmacy college, please?
So, I am the Dr. A.S. Rajarajan. So, I am the placement officer from 2024. So, we have a specific cell for placement activity with staff members, students members also there. So, we have in charges of B.Pharm, M.Pharm, Pharm.D and diploma representative from staff as well as the students we have constituted. We are doing the regular activities for the students' need, which is to be very, very important for the end product need.
So can I please know what are the programs which are supported by the placement cell?
Well, we have a placement assistant for D.Pharm, that is entry level. B.Pharm we have 4-year program, and M.Pharm 2-year program with 4 specialization in our college, and Pharm.D is a 6-year program, and Pharm.D PB is a 3-year program. For all the courses, diverse need for the students, we have catering and supporting 100% for the placement and career guidance cell from Karnataka College of Pharmacy.
And what is the placement support available for D.Pharm students?
The D.Pharm students is in entry level. It is available for dispensing hospitals and hospital pharmacy and marketing also, which is available for the diploma students.
And what could the B.Pharm students look for as an opportunity as well?
So, B.Pharm students, it is a mid-level. So, it is basically which is essential for to know about manufacturing, quality control, marketing, pharmacovigilance, regulatory affairs and higher studies also we are supporting in the other than placement.
And what would be the different placements for the Pharm.D students?
The Pharm.D students is specifically catered for clinical programs, particularly specifically for clinical pharmacists, pharmacovigilance, clinical research, and particularly recently the specific terms it comes for anti-cancer drug dosage forms. So, they need critical care pharmacists are very much essential for Pharm.D that we are catering very well in the market.
And do the students also get an exposure with industry interaction events which happens in the placement cell?
Yes, madam. So, on the basis of industry institution, it is a basic knowledge. From the second year B.Pharm and M.Pharm, we are allowing the students or we are taking the students to the industrial visits and exhibitions and programs or various programs we are conducting. For the internal purpose, we are inviting the guest lectures and we are arranging the online programs. We are doing the hands-on training programs for the all the degree programs in pharmacy.
And today's corporate world requires a lot of soft skills. So,
Yes.
does the placement cell
Yes,
also
madam.
help?
We
with
have regularly in every year we have a MOU with some companies. So, this year last year we have done with Centum. So, they are giving soft skill after the preliminary screening and requirement for the students.
And what are the opportunities for the internships in for the students? In the placement
Students, there are many internships are available for KPO services, industrial services, hospital services, clinical services, international requirements. So, all the discipline or area where we could able to serve. Mostly this particular support we are getting from our own college alumni association, alumni students.
Could you please tell the listeners a little more about the placement process followed by the KCP?
So, we have a placement cell, as I earlier told, we have a team, then we have structured with the WhatsApp group, we have made a program that is like stepwise we have done. Step 1, we are preparing the students for the basic knowledge etiquettes which is needed for the students. So, like how do you prepare resumes, how do you prepare the questionnaires, how do you make the interview skills, mock test, then we are calling the people, expert people from outside to know about the industry need. So, students will be well prepared for this placement activity. It is dynamic, interactive. Throughout the year we could be able to do successfully. So, we are getting output from the students, satisfied students are going out from our college.
With such an extensive support system, sir, could you tell us about the average placement rate for the pharmacy students?
So, it is about more than 75%. So, the students are facilitated to go for placement That is one thing, first one. The second one is people are considered to take for higher education. The last one, it is coming up new from the Government of India also, entrepreneurship development. So, we are supporting placement, higher education and entrepreneurship development also. Madam.
Thank you so much for the excellent information on such an important topic to the viewers. The core of any pharmaceutical studies or a profession has to be the research. Let's get into the depth of research activities that happen in KCP or Karnataka College of Pharmacy. Hello ma'am, could you please introduce yourself and also a little more about the research activities that happen here?
Yes. Hi everyone, myself Mrs. Kusu Susan Syriac, Professor from Department of Pharmacology, and I am in charge for the research and collaboration activities in the Karnataka College of Pharmacy. At Karnataka College of Pharmacy, apart from M.Pharm research projects, our faculties and undergraduate students are involved in the research funded projects from the government agencies. And at KCP, we have CCSA approved animal house facilities with capacity more than 500 number of animals and well established animal cell culture lab with CO2 incubators, laminar airflow, etc. And also in our college, we have institutional animal ethics committee which continuously monitors and approves the research proposals containing animal studies.
Could you please tell us a little more about the research collaborations of KCP?
Yes, KCP has more than 20 number of MOUs with reputed universities like Krista Jayanti deemed to be university, Reva University and Jain University. And we also have research collaborations with many research organizations and pharma companies which resulted in more than 5 number of student exchange programs, many number of workshops, seminars, conference, internships, training, etc. And in our college we have filed more than 6 number of patents so far, and we have more than 30 number of research grants, and every year approximately 100 number of publications are coming out of these collaborations.
And who exactly monitors these extensive research projects?
The research projects in Karnataka College of Pharmacy is approved and reviewed by the Institutional Research Committee IRC, which is established in the year 2017, and the committee monitors, approves and oversees all the research projects which are happening in the institutions, and even not only the projects which are going to approve, and even the projects, the running projects also have been reviewed periodically by the Institutional Research Committee.
Thank you so much for all the information.
Thank you.
KCP sounds wonderful, doesn't it? But you don't have to take my word for it. Let's ask the students themselves what they feel about KCP. So, hello, can I know your name please?
My name is Sherlyn.
Hi Sherlyn, you are a student of KCP?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm a postgraduate student who is pursuing a Masters in Pharmacology.
Would you like to tell the viewers a little more about the college as such, and what do you like about the college or your course? Anything more that you would like them to know?
Yeah, sure.
Please.
So, I am a student who is pursuing Masters in Pharmacology, and basically KCP has always felt like my second home. I have loved how the classes are well spacious and equipped with the necessary things that a student need, and we are also able to concentrate in our classes very well. And the most thing that I love about Karnataka College is the laboratories. They are very spacious, clean, and also help us to convert our theory into our real practical knowledge. And we have various departments in our laboratories, and we have the pharmaceutical analysis department where there are many equipments, advanced technologies are present such as UV visible spectrophotometer, and we also have HPLC systems. And if we see our Sutix labs, we have mainly they are focused mainly on the drug dissolution systems, and also on they have equipment such as the drug punching, tablet punching systems. And if you see the pharmacology lab, we have very advanced, that is a lab which I love the most because I have spent most of my time there. We have organ bath, and we have an actophotometer, such equipments, such advanced equipments are present, and there we mainly learn about the study the action and the safety of drugs. And the favorite part of the college is surely the animal house where the animals are kept and well cared for, and there are also CPCSC approved animal laboratories. So, many of us conduct our main pharmacological research projects in the animal house, and so even the animal houses and the laboratories are well maintained by our dedicated lab attendees who take care that the labs are clean, so we can conduct our experiments very safely and effectively. So, I really love the laboratories, which was the most thing that I spent in my second year. So, the Karnataka College of Pharmacy has really provided a space for us to grow and also to excel in the world of pharmacy.
Thank you so much. It sounds really like you're excited, you have a lot of
Yes.
passion for the course and the college itself.
Yes.
Thank you so much for this. KCP does not just have the conventional courses, but also is in line and sync with the current generation. One such course is the Doctor of Pharmacy, which is a 6-year course. But before you enroll, wouldn't you want to know what it is about? So here, let's talk to the HOD himself and know more about the course. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Would you please let us know a little more about the Doctor of Pharmacy and the course itself?
Doctor of Pharmacy is a very advanced course which was very much introduced newly to India in 2008. So this is a very, as I told, like earlier the pharmacy conventional courses, the pharmacist was more of industry based, and this is a course where there is a transition for the pharmacist to get into the mainstream, into the circle of healthcare system, where a pharmacist works along with the physicians, nurses in a hospital setup. In Western countries, it is very much well established, and this is a very crucial role in whole of healthcare system, where physicians have interactions with the patient and the nurse, and a pharmacist come in between and make the whole system as a complete.
So, could you also let us know regarding the student and the clinical supervisor ratio and the therapeutic areas that students get exposed to during their hospital rotations?
Yeah. So, we have an MOU with the Bangalore Baptist Hospital. It's an NABH and NABL accredited. It is 600 plus bed. So, almost more than 10 multi-speciality departments are there. And there we have almost more than 300 plus healthcare workers and around 100 physicians working. So, we assign usually in the ratio of 1:1 to the each physician, one student, and sometimes because of the other departments are not free. So, we usually maximum go for 1:2 ratios.
So, with the focused learning, do we also have a focus on the current AI and the technology which has been developing in healthcare? So, the students, do they get trained anywhere between telepharmacy or EMS or records?
Yes, because we have to go along with what the market needs, and as you know, AI is one of the very much need in all the domains. So, it's the same in the pharmacy field also. So, what we usually have is we conduct very much frequent seminars and conferences and bring the people to talk on AI. And this AI now, as in the clinical field, made a significant impact on the practice field. And our hospitals, there is a software like called as Elixir. It's an electronic health record software, and also there is a BBH Connect. So, our students have an access to it. Along with this, we also have a subscription for Lexicon. So, it's one of the widely used drug information system, and even in the US all it is very much accepted, and they give very much updated informations and get updated daily.
There's a lot of fine tuning of the students, I understand.
Yes.
So, what was the outcome measurement training that the students have in the entire thing? Because healthcare is all about outcomes.
Yes.
So, are they trained in the same?
Yeah, this is the one thing which we have a very systematic way of doing the things at BBH. So, what we do is we have everything on the record. So, our students have communicate and have a close working culture with the quality department, pharmacy and therapeutic committee, and the hospital infection committee, and also antibiotic stewardship, the thing. So what we identify, so our main the primary work kind is we do a lot of audits. So audits the patient profile forms, the patient prescriptions, and also we do the patient interview. So by this way we collect a lot of informations about the cases, and these things we discuss in the committees. So our students, our staff is allowed to present their findings in the quality department, pharmacy therapeutic committee, and this they usually analyze and we draw out of few conclusion out of it, and we inculcate to the implement on those things.
Thank you so much, sir. Sounds like a very comprehensive and well-planned program for everyone. KCP or Karnataka College of Pharmacy has been affiliated with RGUHS, that is Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. What is affiliation? It means examination. Let's know a little more about the examinations. So here we are. Hello sir, could you please let us know a little more as to what is RGUHS and what is our examination system as such at KCP?
Hello, I Dr. T. Prabhakar, working as a professor in HOD, Department of Pharmacognosy, Karnataka College of Pharmacy, and also I headed examination cell. I used to conduct the examinations since 2004, so I was headed the examination systems. So RGUHS is one of the reputed university in India. So RGUHS is conducting examinations and also affiliated by the Karnataka College of Pharmacy is affiliated by the RGUHS, and we used to have a different courses in our institution. So we have a B.Pharm, M.Pharm and Pharm.D programs. So B.Pharm and M.Pharm programs are having submission scheme, and yearly 2 times examination they used to conduct. So whereas Pharm.D program is year-wise program, we used to conduct the examinations year-wise once for the Pharm.D examinations under RGUHS.
Could you please enlighten us as to how much of a support system the students get from KCP during exams?
So we have a strong digital examination cell. So we used to conduct the examinations every year, and so we have a strong support system for the students, and we used to conduct the mock test for the students and remedial class test we used to do. Pre-examination systems also we have and we used to conduct, and here sessional examinations are internal assessment is very important for the students, crucial for the students. We should have a minimum marks for that. We used to conduct the examinations 2 times, 2 sessionals we used to conduct, and they used to get the average for that. So these examinations marks will be added to the final examinations or graded to the final examinations. Okay. So they are very important for the students.
So I understand that even internal assessment cannot be taken lightly.
Yes.
So any further words of advice that you would like to give for the listeners who are preparing for the RGUHS exam? So
they have to prepare well for the sessional examinations. They should attend all sessional examinations to get the average marks, so that they are important for the students' examinations, and then will be forwarded to the final examinations.
Let's delve a little more into the D.Pharm program here at Karnataka College of Pharmacy. So could you please let us know what D.Pharm program is all about?
So Diploma in Pharmacy is a 2 years academic program designed to prepare the students for a career in pharmaceutical sciences. So Diploma in Pharmacy is a 2 years program, and it is prescribed by the Pharmacy Council of India and Board of Examining Authority of Bangalore. And diploma in course is a very who wants to enter the pharmacy profession quickly and gain some fundamental knowledge through the drug formulation and dispensing pharmacology and community pharmacy and patient care.
Okay. And what are the kind of subjects and the trainings the students here actually are exposed to?
So we have a 2 years program, Diploma in Pharmacy, and we have a pharmacology and pharmaceutics and community pharmacy and hospital pharmacy and pharmacognosy. So we have various subjects in the Diploma in Pharmacy.
Thank you so much. It answers a lot of questions about the course itself. Thanks. Having completed the tour of the campus, the HODs, the various departments and the courses as well, let's meet the man himself who heads it all, the principal. Hello sir.
Yes.
So would you please let us know what makes the Karnataka College of Pharmacy stand out and what is distinct about this college itself?
Yes, of course, we are distinct from many institutes in different means, but I would like to highlight a few points. We are distinctive than other colleges. Means, number one, see, normally the research will be more active with the PG students, postgraduate students, and the staff, they will be doing the PhD, means research as a part of their curriculum. But the distinctiveness is what we identified, that we would like to encourage the undergraduate students themselves to participate in the research work. So we are training them, we are encouraging them, and the good part is continuously since many years, I think more than 10 years, we are getting the UG research scholars grant from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. Not only that, and we are tapping some other national research grants for the who encourages this undergraduate program, and we are getting continuously, and students are very well much encouraged and push them into the research mode, and so that they can do the better research in future. And that is first one. Second one is it's like our college can be called as a hub of foreigners. So diversity in culture, across India, number one, and also across the globe. So we have students from countries like SAARC countries, neighboring countries, and African countries, Middle East. More than I think 35 plus foreign students, nationals, they are studying in our institute, and that is one speciality of this institute. Probably we are taking care of them, and they are especially these people they are very poor in English, especially African countries and all. So we have a special coaching for them, introductory classes for English. So they are more comfortable here. We help them in the FRRO registration, support, foreign student support, and we have even foreign students association also. So that way we are distinctiveness. And more importantly, third I can highlight, we are excellent in our academics. So for the past I think from 2008, consecutively we are getting the state ranks from different courses like B.Pharm, Pharm.D and M.Pharm. From 2008, every year I think law not less than 5 to 10 ranks. Few times we got the state toppers in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, and it is a one university. There is only one university in entire Karnataka that is taking care of all medical and paramedical pharmacy courses. More than 140 colleges are there, pharmacy colleges, and definitely that shows that our academic excellency is because of qualified faculty members, and many faculty members are the PhD holders, their doctorates, and the staff retention is the one of the highlight. See, even that's where because of this distinctiveness, research, and the staff retention in our institute, I can boldly say that we got the NAC A grade. So that's where area we got good marks and we are A grade. So definitely this institute is distinctive from other institutes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think that only adds more value and quality reassurance for the students who are planning to apply here. Thank you so much, sir. Each time you leave home, safety is a concern. But you don't have to be concerned here, because in Karnataka College of Pharmacy, they have the most secure hostels for both boys and girls. KCP does not just encourage your research and academics, but it also gives you a boost for creativity with its annual fests and the most happening freshers party, which works as an icebreaker for people who come from different regions and also different countries. And also they have sports such as basketball and volleyball, and also regular tournaments wherein each one is a champion in their own account. Now, having done with a tour of the entire campus and knowing so much about the programs and the curriculum, and also from words from the principal himself, is there any doubt? Not at all. Hence, KCP or the Karnataka College of Pharmacy is the top choice for future pharmacists. To know more about the admissions, campus or courses, do log into Appli app and start your admission process.